Hi! In front of me is Nokia X20 and today I would like to show you how you can rename this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose about phone and click on device name. Now you can type in wherever you wish to. Like Winchester's, and select OK to save your changes. You need to click OK in this pop-up over here to save them, so do that, and as you can see, the name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!